The entire automobile industry continues to adjust to the new demands of the economy, energy situation, and changing consumer buying habits. As a result of these conditions, Lincoln Town Car model and body style selections have been realigned this year. It's important, therefore, that you have a clear understanding of how the Town Car series relates to previous year's offerings and to the other Lincoln Mercury luxury cars in the lineup. This will make it easier for you to help your luxury car prospects to make a selection from what Lincoln offers by way of models, features, and options, and to help them settle on the Lincoln Town Car that meets their requirements. The highest performing luxury car salespeople all agree that you must have a solid knowledge of your products, model differences, features, and options to properly present your products to your prospects. So let's take a look at what you have to offer this year. In 1981, you had the Lincoln Town Car in a 2-door and 4-door model, and the Signature Series in 2- and 4-door models. This year, 2-door models have been discontinued, and a Cartier designer model has been added. The new Lincoln Town Car lineup is now all 4-door sedans, a Lincoln Town Car, a Signature Series, and a Cartier designer model. There's virtually no change in the standard features offered this year over last year. However, a few items should be noted. The Lincoln Town Car features 50/50 twin comfort lounge seats with 6-way power on the driver's side. The Signature Series also features 50/50 twin comfort lounge seats. However, 6-way power and a manual passenger recliner seat are included as standard. In addition, the instrument panel has been redesigned this year and features black-faced instrument cluster dials. A remote-controlled deck lid release and power door locks, which were optional last year, are now standard. To review the Lincoln Town Car standard features, the major ones include air conditioning, electronic AM/FM stereo search radio, twin comfort lounge seats with 6-way power. Add to these automatic overdrive transmission, power brakes and steering, plus premium body side molding and coach lamps. You can begin to see how impressive the standard features are. Your prospects should understand the kind of value they're getting as you present the product to them. For example, research shows that fuel economy is high on the list of luxury car buyer concerns. Although you may be aware of the technological innovations which contribute to Lincoln's operating efficiency and performance, your prospect may not be. Such important features as the electronic engine control, electronic fuel injection, and automatic overdrive transmission, each of which is covered in the Powertrain segment, should be brought to the attention of your prospects. These features contribute significantly to Lincoln's remarkable fuel economy and performance. These features, as do all the standard features on Lincoln, represent value. When presented to your prospect in terms of benefits, the values become something your prospect can measure. For instance, white sidewall steel belted radial tires are standard. Now, that's a statement. Where's the benefit? The benefit is that these tires offer lower rolling resistance and contribute to better fuel economy. These are benefits that are measurable. Point them out. The same applies to other standard features. Power vent windows may seem a small item, but very few luxury cars have them, and they're a great convenience, especially to smokers. Overall, when a prospect is given a good, sound, professional product presentation, the value comes through. This applies regardless of the model you're presenting. For example, the Signature Series has more to offer by way of value than does the Town Car. How is the extra cost of a Signature Lincoln justified in the mind of the prospect? Well, the answer is you have to point out the differences. Differences such as a coach roof, which is standard on the Signature Lincoln, or the unique seating upholstery with cloth headrests in Signature Series body cloth, or the seat back assist straps, the map pockets, the dual floor well lights. Also standard on the Signature Series are 6-way power twin comfort lounge seats. 6-way power is not standard on the Town Car. The Town Car Cartier Designer Series is even more luxurious than the Signature Series, with such features as leather seating and inserts, plus other extra appearance features that set it apart. In other words, each series represents its own unique level of value. Value that even the most sophisticated prospect may not be aware of. Bring these values to your prospect's attention. Turning to options, for the Lincoln Town Car, there's a dual exhaust system designed primarily for high altitude performance. This dual system increases horsepower by 10% and engine torque by 4%. The wide range of convenience and comfort options offered last year are available this year. Although you're familiar with these options, chances are your prospect is not. You can help him tailor his Lincoln to his own tastes and needs and also build gross into your sale by covering these options with him. For example, the electronic instrument panel is certainly an attractive option to the high-mileage driver. Personal security is becoming more important. The keyless entry and illuminated entry systems are designed for personal security as well as convenience. Personal appearance is also important, especially to the women's market. Illuminated vanity mirrors are available. You can also offer an impressive variety of sound systems, possibly the most sophisticated in the industry. There's electronic AM/FM stereo search, which includes Dolby noise reduction, complete with a cassette tape player. Another includes an 8-track tape player. Another includes 6 premium design speakers. As a sales professional, it's important for you to know what options are available so you can explain them to your prospects. Don't presume he knows what's offered. He isn't likely to know what's available unless you tell him. All the options, as well as the standard features, are listed in your product facts book. Set aside some time to familiarize yourself with this important product information. Solid product knowledge provides you with sales dividends and helps to build your success in your chosen profession, professional sales.
Whichever fine Lincoln model you look at, you can be assured that its technological advances will provide you with the optimum in fuel efficiency and performance. The heart of the powertrain in the Lincoln is the 5-liter V8 engine. This remarkable engine has a 302 cubic inch displacement and produces all the power requirements needed and expected in a luxury motor car. Emphasis is placed on a powertrain that produces the most efficient use of fuel possible, yet still provides the performance reserves necessary for this automobile. Teamed with the 5-liter V8 engine are several engineering breakthroughs which combine to produce remarkable results in fuel economy and performance. A major powertrain component is the electronic engine control, or EEC, which controls exactly the fuel needs for the best engine performance at various operating speeds. The EEC system incorporates a microprocessor with 8 monitoring sensors. Now, these sensors instantaneously relay operating signals to the microprocessor, which interprets these signals in terms of engine fuel needs. The Lincoln engine's microprocessor, with its 8 sensors, is integrated with an electronic fuel injection system. This system has 2 fuel injectors which release, on command from the microprocessor, precisely metered quantities of fuel to the engine air intake. Thus, the best possible engine operating efficiency is reached, not too lean, not too rich, but exactly what is required for peak performance. To further the objective of attaining the best fuel economy possible, Lincoln Town cars are equipped with an automatic overdrive transmission, or AOD. AOD is standard. The overdrive feature of the automatic transmission operates at speeds over 40 miles an hour, and when engaged, the engine can run at lower RPMs, reducing fuel consumption at highway speeds. Adding further to the fuel savings of automatic overdrive transmission is an engineering benefit that provides optimum use of power transmitted from the engine to the drive shaft. AOD delivers 100% of the engine torque to the drive shaft through solid mechanical linkage when the transmission is in the 4th gear range. Now, this is an advantage over conventional automatic transmissions, where there is a loss of power through slippage. The mechanical linkage combined with automatic overdrive reduces engine workload at highway speeds. Savings in fuel consumption is the result. For increased horsepower and torque, a dual exhaust system is offered as an option. Designed primarily for better performance in high altitudes, the dual exhaust increases horsepower by 10% and increases engine torque by 4%. All of the Lincoln Town Car powertrain components taken together result in a power delivery system that meets or surpasses the engineering objectives to provide optimum fuel efficiency and performance characteristics required for a luxury automobile. The 5-liter V8 engine, electronic engine control, electronic fuel injection, and automatic overdrive transmission represent technological advances in keeping with Lincoln's tradition. A test drive will provide convincing proof that the Lincoln Town Car's powertrain is deserving of the high standards inherent to its fine reputation.
Lincoln Town Cars. Uncompromising luxury, space, comfort, and ride. Providing the assurance that traditional luxury motor car values can be accommodated in an automobile with technologically advanced features. In the areas of design and engineering, great emphasis was placed on fuel efficiency. And in keeping with contemporary requirements for American cars of the 80s, excessive weight and unused space were designed out. And yet the Lincoln Town Car retains all of the benefits long associated with the Lincoln trademark. In keeping with today's luxury motoring demands, there are revolutionary innovations and design features that place this fine motor car among the most contemporary in the world of luxury automobiles today. There's a selection from which to choose: the Lincoln Town Car, the elegant Signature Series, or the highly styled Cartier Designer model. All are 4-door styles. The Lincoln Town Cars feature new interior upholstery, new interior door treatment, striking new interior colors, and a restyled instrument panel. The list of standard appointments puts Lincoln in a class by itself, with handsome coach lamps, a full Velino grain vinyl roof with padded center pillars, premium body side moldings, full wheel covers, and white sidewall steel belted radial tires. Self-sealing tires are available as an option. The bold classic grille is a Lincoln hallmark, and there are other standard features that complement Lincoln's prestige. Air conditioning, electronic AM/FM stereo search radio, power brakes, power steering, and power windows, to name a few. The emphasis on Lincoln Town Car fuel economy is evidenced by the engineering advances in weight reduction and powertrain technology in recent years. Numbered among these advances are a 5-liter V8 engine, electronic engine control, electronic fuel injection, and a revolutionary automatic overdrive transmission. All combine as elements of the efficient powertrain. The electronic engine control, or EEC, has 8 sensors which continually analyze the precise quantity of fuel needed for efficient engine operation. Electronic fuel injection takes it a step further by metering and delivering to the cylinders the appropriate amount of fuel required. This assures efficient combustion. Add to this the automatic overdrive transmission. AOD reduces the number of engine RPMs at speeds over 40 miles an hour, thus reducing fuel consumption at highway speeds. The result of this highly refined powertrain is greater fuel economy than previous Lincolns. As an example, the 1977 EPA ratings for a Lincoln was 11 miles per gallon in the city. While the new model EPA ratings were not available at the time this disc was produced, ask your salesperson for details about the EPA rating for the new Lincoln, which will show a dramatic improvement in fuel economy. Complementing these powertrain innovations is an optional dual exhaust system, primarily designed for high altitude operation. Now, this exhaust system increases engine horsepower by 10% and increases engine torque by 4%. As standard, the Lincoln features the Lincoln Commitment Limited Warranty. It provides repair coverage on specified components for 36 months or 36,000 miles. During the first 12 months or 12,000 miles, repairs are performed at no charge to the customer. Beyond the period from 12 months, 12,000 miles, through the balance of the warranty, the customer pays a $50 deductible. Ask your salesperson for details. These then are the elements worth your careful consideration for making the Lincoln Town Car your next automobile. Uncompromising luxury, comfort, and ride. Traditional luxury car spaciousness. Striking interior upholstery and appointments. wide array of standard features. 3 models from which to choose. Technological advances in electronic engine control, electronic fuel injection, automatic overdrive transmission, which equate to excellent fuel economy in this spacious luxury automobile. A demonstration drive will let you discover for yourself the experience of driving a car with a tradition of luxury.
Okay, you've just taken a good look at the 1982 Lincoln Town Car video disc. Now, let's find out what you've learned. We have 6 mini case studies in which a prospect asks a salesman a question which relates to the Lincoln Town Car. See how you would handle them.
So you see, it's to your advantage to buy a 4-door model.
Now, what's to my advantage?
Well, the price, for one thing. You're getting more car for your money.
Oh, I am I? Now, how do you figure that?
Well, you see, for 1982, the Lincoln Town Car lineup has changed.
Changed? Changed in what way?
Can you answer that question? In what way has the 1982 Lincoln Town Car lineup changed over last year? For 1982, the Lincoln Town Car lineup changed. This year, 1. All 2-door models have been discontinued. 2. Only the 2-door Town Car has been discontinued. 3. Only the 2-door Signature series has been discontinued. Or 4. None of the above.